This is our casino design. Obviously it's still under construction. We just want to show you a couple of the nice little features on here. So we've got some nice bifold doors here. So these open right up. So you get a nice clear open span across here. Really let the breezes through. And then inside here we've got a great big bank of louvered windows. So this helps with the cross-flow ventilation and lets all the breezes come through. This has got a raised lounge, so we've got a step in the slab just to add a bit of dimension to the lounge area. And if you come down here, we've got nice big raked ceilings, highlight windows, and then we've got like a little raised coffee nook area here as well with a bulkhead that comes down just to once again give it a bit of definition. Through this area here, we've got big stacking sliding doors. So you can see, very easy to open, big wide openings. And then through here, we've got the master bedroom. As you can see, still a work in progress, but some funky little features. Twin vanities, laminate flooring, and a big open ensuite with a dual head shower on the corner there. So it's like a wet room.